Imagine this. Carnival Monday morning. And the music truck shut down. What you gonna do? Jump start. Push start. Start. Run it! Yeah! Ah, yes, man. Labor Day jam in Brooklyn. No, that is where I met Evelyn. I couldn't resist when I see this Yankee girl. After she coming down for the carnival, she say I never learned how to get on pussy. Now if I look at this right at me, she woman go laugh at me. Evelyn girl, you don't have no problem. When you get the secrets, you'll go and shine them. Put your hand in the air and shake it. Jam out if you don't care and shake it. Put your bumsy down low and shake it. Rock it to and fro and shake it. Pass the wash girl, shake it. Just to make it sweeter, shake it. Do the spoon and wine, shake it. Shut them, make your sign, shake it. Treat in a BACCHANAL, shake it. Beat up the two nice girl, shake it. So now they can make it shake, shake it. Like the girl, she don't have no tempo. I think that she have a corn on she big toe. Tell her she want to come down to Trinidad. Now I say, you have to know how to get on real bad. She says she want to learn how to get on wassy now. This is really rest of me. I do not want nothing for she gets. So that jam is a great intention. So the dog is like, I go pay attention. Put your hand in the air and shake it. Jam out this way, don't get and shake it. Put your bumsy down low